Okay, for station 4, you're going to go ahead and read after the game. Everyone on the team gets a snack. Good for them. There's 20 fruits in a bag. They split it up to 7 apples, 4 oranges, 5 bananas, 4 bunches of grapes. If Brett picks a fruit from the bag without looking, what's the probability it will be a banana? So how many bananas? 5. 5 bananas out of a total of 20 fruits. You need to go ahead and reduce that to its lowest form in order to get the correct answer. 15, what is the probability Brent will pick an apple or an orange? We have 7 apples plus 4 oranges equals 11 over 20. And you need to express that in a decimal form, so you're not quite done with that one either. You need to divide 11 divided by 20 to get that decimal. Okay, Brent picks grapes from the bag, so he had a chance of 4 out of 20 to get those grapes. He doesn't like grapes, so he puts them back in the bag, and then he picks out an orange. So we're going to multiply that by 4 out of 20. Since he put the grapes back, we still had 20 items in the bag. What's the probability that that whole process will occur? So we're going to multiply. 4 times 4 is 16. 20 times 20 is... excuse me, sorry, 400. Got something caught in my throat. I need to drink water before I make videos. All right, so we need to go ahead and express this answer as a decimal, then a percent. So you're going to divide 16 divided by 400. That's going to equal 0.04. I'm going to have you figure out what that does to turn into a percent. All right, 17, we have this little bit we're going to do down here. Everyone on the team also gets a drink. There's 25 drinks in the cooler, 11 water, 10 sports drinks, and 4 bottles of milk. What is the probability Brent will pick either a bottle of water or a bottle of milk? Water is 11. We're going to add that to our milk, which is 4. That gives us 15 over, and our total was 25. We need to write that in the form of a fraction in its simplest form, so go ahead and reduce that fraction. And our last one, what is the probability Brent will not pick a bottle of water? So not the water, so we need to add the others up. 10 plus 4 equals 14 over, we still have 25 items, and we need to express that answer in the form of a decimal. So you're going to do 14 divided by 25 and put your answer down there, and then you are done. You are then done with all of the stations. Please go ahead and submit your answer through Canvas, or not your answers, but your assignment through Canvas, and you have now completed these stations 1 through 4 for the simulation and predictions for this unit. Thank you. I hope you guys had fun.